LineageReceipt is an evidence-first release agent built with Codex and GPT-5.6. It reads real DataHub lineage for a training dataset, a feature set, an ML model, and a production deployment. The first screen makes every URN and freshness signal inspectable. The release is intentionally repair, the model has no owner, the feature set is stale, and no rollback runbook is linked. The deterministic rule engine binds those gaps and the evidence snapshot into SHA-256 receipt LR-DC2240 instead of inventing an approval. The Python adapter writes the verdict, receipt ID, and digest back to the DataHub ML model and fails if any readback differs. This is a public Apache 2.0 repository with a live demo and reproducible tests. Codex accelerated the implementation and browser verification, while GPT-5.6 guided the product and engineering decisions. The result is a small, runnable developer tool that keeps release evidence honest.